Hello, today I want to talk about a problem that I'm facing with my Shimano shifter. So the problem is that it tends to spring back intermittently when I'm riding. So as you can see, it does so now. So the problem is that the problem is that sometimes the part that helps to release the ratchet doesn't spring back to its original position. So the moment this part is pressed, now it's working okay. But as you can see, it is starting to not fall back to its original position, which is further down here. So one way is to disassemble the entire piece and clean the internal parts, but that would be very difficult to do, because when you're done, it's difficult to put everything back because there's so many interdependent parts that are kept at tension at each other. So one of the ways to solve this is this. So one of the things I've tried on another bicycle is to spray WD-40 into the gear selector, and that seemed to have worked very well. So I'm going to do the same for this bike as well. So I will spray into the mechanism area that keeps the ratchet from moving, followed by the far side. Oh, now it's immediately a lot more reliable. Okay, so it's good to spray in here as well. And this hole here. And I think that's about done. That should be enough to keep it working for a long time. Okay, so let's give it a few tries. Ooh, finally the click is back. Two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Good. Excellent. Let's see the paws in action. Yeah, excellent. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.